Good evening. Thank you, sir. So we'll now move to our next session on Flash Talks for Students Poster Competition. We'll now invite Dr. Plavan Kumar Bhaumik to kindly chair the session.
Fresh mind and fresh ideas. So that is one of the additions in this version of the conference. But I think that is the most important addition to this KEDL 2019. And in this session, we'll be hosting the poster presentations by the students who have proposed very nice ideas about AI in digital library. And there were different interesting topics they have really put their ideas around, and I'll not let them wait, and they're really waiting to sell their ideas to you so that you are lured to get to their posters. That is happening tomorrow morning session in the Red Square area. So this is how they will be going about. The slide will be displayed for individual poster presenter for 1 minute. They'll come and sell their ideas and get off from the dais, and the next one will be coming. Okay, first one.
Hello, good evening. I'm Shukanta Patro. Good evening. You know that Shotganga is the name of Indian ETDs repository. The metadata harvesting of ETD metadata from Shotganga to NDLI has been tried to visualized by the poster. Along with the comparison scenario with respect to NDLI metadata and the UK metadata and NDLGD metadata also. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. Myself Soumya Gupta, and I am the master student at the Tata Institute of Social Science. The topic of my presentation is natural language processing in designing smart digital libraries. As my title says, my objective of my study is to discover the potential role of natural language processing, which is the subfield of artificial intelligence, in designing smart digital libraries, and what are the various natural language processing tools are available to implement it. So what I have identified, there are 5 potential areas that can be implemented in digital libraries using natural language processing. First is optical character recognition that helps in digitization of resources. Semantic web link data to make the web more intelligent and process the information like human do. Thirdly, chatbots and virtual librarians, where chatbots act as a virtual librarians to solve user queries 24/7. Automatic creation of metadata and indexing, and support multilingual languages. There are various NLP tools which are available to implement it. Natural language analysis, SPECI, Genesim, and text bubble. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Srijani Majumdar. I'm a research scholar at IIT Kharagpur. So I'm going to present here Smart Cady. Few important statistics which has motivated Smart Cady is there for you to read. Now coming to the main point, like projects in software companies, they actually see a large inflow of employees moving in and out. So when they actually need to comprehend an existing database, how do they do it? They self-learn, they ask from their mentors. So that this process in itself is known as knowledge transfer, referred to as Cady here. Now, is this process easy? No, because they do not have documents properly updated. Due to the attrition rate of software companies, employees mostly they leave the companies, the key resources are gone. So how do they actually comprehend the whole code repository in a small amount of time? This is where Smart Cady will play a big role, because it's a semantic search framework which actually extracts knowledge and then creates a digital library out from the software repositories, and using all methods, techniques of digital library allows you smart Google-like search. So what we present here is a Google for software repositories. A tested version is already up in the GitHub. Kindly come and explore Smart Cady tomorrow. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. A study shows that an average person is bombarded with an information equivalent to that of 174 newspapers every day. The buyers, social media, 24 hours of television, Twitter, etc. And the sellers, us, the people. The people are very simple. No matter how tawdry or vacuous an information is, as long as it's new, flashes and bleeps in 40 different colors, they're going to buy it and they'll keep buying it. To compete with this, what have we got in the scientific community? Research papers. Boring, unspirited, and to top it all off, incomprehensible. It is incomprehensible to a point that even a physicist can't understand a paper in mathematics. Now, here's an idea to tackle all these problems. Firstly, we take every bit of information that is available in research papers and scientific journals. Then, we semantically connect them to make a knowledge base that is understandable. Information is very empowering. We all know about the anti-vax movement that is going on. UK and US have been stripped of its no measles status, and the number of measles cases has tripled over the year. The irony here is that we have over 276,653 research papers relating to vaccination, and yet, when people have something to fall back to, they go to social media and crystals. It is high time we, as knowledge engineers, made science great again. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, everyone. I am Siddhant Maurkar, undergrad student from VIT Vellore. So, what we have built is a semantic framework for digital libraries. So, as you can see, the framework searches the digital libraries according to the semantic and not according to the keyword. So, the current frameworks which are available, which they search that using if we give a query, they will use the user. What the user has previously searched, and then give the data. And if a new query comes, they will directly search for the keyword in the database and give the results. But what we have done is we have built a semantic framework which will not directly look for the keyword which we give, but it will derive a knowledge from the query and then search for the database. It's been deployed as a web application. You can scan the QR code and the poster and try it for yourself. We have tested the database tested the framework on a CMU dataset, which consists of a book query and the summary of that book. It's around 17,000 books query. And again, we have used bird-based representation to get a contextual representation of the query and then match it with the queries in the database to give you the recommendations. Thank you.
Don't know about you, but I'm enough lightened by these ideas. And if you're lightened, so there is a bit of information for you. Tomorrow we are going to have a poster session that will be happening in Red Square. So all the presenters of this session will be presenting their posters in detail. So if you have any query, so there will be detailed discussions. They will be providing with details about their ideas. So I hope that you visit their posters over there in the lunch area. So that is one of the breakaway sessions that we are going to have tomorrow. That is there in Red Square, where we had our lunch and tea breaks. The other breakaway session tomorrow is the UNESCO that is in the UNESCO premises. So that is on strengthening SARC through digital heritage. Again, will be that is the second breakaway session. The third breakaway session that will be happening right here. That is the challenges and approaches of library professionals in the era of digital library. So I guess we are done for today. Thank you for your kind attention. The day has been very fruitful with lots of interaction and nice deliberations. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.